For deep or large potholes, using Quikrete Blacktop Repair, build the patch in compacted layers of 2 to 3 inches until the hole is overfilled and then level flush with the surrounding pavement. Start by removing loose debris and standing water from the pothole, and square up the edges with a cold chisel or grinder so the new material bonds to solid substrate. For holes deeper than 4 inches, fill in 2 to 3 inch layers, compacting each layer firmly with a tamper or the back of a sledge until you reach within a 1/4 inch of the surface. Use a hand tamper for tight spots and a mechanical plate compactor for larger areas to avoid settling later. Overfill by about 1/4 inch once the final lift is compacted, then screed and level the patch with a trowel or a scrap board, feathering the edges into the existing pavement to reduce water intrusion. If temperatures are cool, warm the repair material slightly and keep traffic off for a longer cure time. If temperatures are hot and the material becomes soft, compact more aggressively in short passes. For large repairs, consider adding an edge tack of hot asphalt or a polymeric binder to improve long-term adhesion at the seam. Common mistakes include failing to remove loose material and water, which causes poor bonding and early failure, so always clean and dry the hole before placing material. Another issue is not compacting each lift adequately, which leads to settling and voids, so compact every 2 to 3 inch layer until rigid and dense. A third mistake is leaving the patch proud or underfilled. Overfill slightly then level flush, so the repaired area will settle to match the surrounding pavement without creating a depression or hump. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors suited to large pothole and driveway repairs, and we connect contractors with nearby work opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where we share techniques, supplier recommendations, and real-world tips about products like Quikrete Blacktop Repair.